Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this Holmes Blizzard little big oscillating table fan. So let me get the phone off the tripod. It says Holmes. It's from Goodwill. I told them it's from Goodwill. It's dusty in there. That's all my fans right there, but I'll do separate videos of those. Yeah, but you can actually see how much dust there is. It's dusty in there. And look at how big this fan is. Yeah, I usually don't see them this big. Okay? I've gotten to put it right onto the tripod. Ooh! Sorry. I've got to get this on the tripod. What is it? So you had to wait a minute. I have to tighten up this tripod. I don't know why it was. All right. Okay. Here we go on low speed. I don't know why it's a little bit noisy. Oops. I have to get a new tripod. Let's put this chair in front of it. Okay. So there's medium. Well, this thing is very noisy. It's nice and loud. What is it loud for? I don't know for sure, but here's high. This thing is very noisy. Just know that. And dust will try to blow my eyes, though. You know that. It's very windy on this thing. And let's go back to low. Okay, do you see it oscillate? It's oscillating. It's oscillating time now. Okay. So I've got to do that. Look at that oscillation. Very cool. Kind of does it a little bit to the left side. No, back to medium. There we go. It's nice and loud at this thing. It's pretty windy. And high speed. Alright, it's starting to get windy on this thing. Okay, and spin down. Sorry, I have to let the center. Hold on. Here's spin down. Alright, so I've got, and to show you, okay, you see it oscillate a little bit. Okay, that's good. And that includes the Holmes Blizzard big oscillating table fan. Thanks for watching.